on to our third problem. I want to know what is the temperature. So I'm looking for temperature. Sorry, there was a typo I had to correct. Of a 25.5 liter balloon. Liter is volume. Holding 3.5 moles. Moles is N. Of carbon dioxide at 32 atm. That is my pressure, P1. And temperature is T. All right, so I have one of every variable here. So I'm going to use the ideal gas law to solve this problem, which is PV equals nRT. All right, now we can plug in our numbers. In place of P, I have 32. The V was 25.5 equals my N, which is 3.5. My R, there is no R up here. That's because R is the ideal gas constant, and you can find it on your star charts. Right? So R is here. Now, we have our pressure was an ATM, so we want to use this value here. If the pressure was kPa, you'd use 8.31, and if the pressure was millimeters of mercury, you'd use 62.4. So we're going to use the first one, which is 0.0821, and then my temperature is what I'm looking for, so that is going to be my X. Now we need to simplify the equation so that we can solve it. So first things first, I can go ahead and plug these into my calculator. I can multiply them together. And I'm going to get 816 equals, I can multiply these together. And you get 0.28735. And I still have X on this side. All right. Now I want to get X by itself. So remember, if X is next to the number, that means multiplication. So I need to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. What you do to one side, you must do to the other. Now we're going to plug it in. So these cancel out. I still have my X on this side. I have 816 divided by 0.28735, and that gives me 2,839.7, and temperature always must be in Kelvin, and that's going to be my X. So when you have one of every variable, you must use this equation.